going to go ahead and do the black that's all around. Now, because the eyes are nice and warm, right? There's beautiful warm colors. You got the cadmium orange, the burnt sienna, the alizarin crimson. To really intensify those, I'm going to put some cool colors all around it. And so you think the black by itself is cool enough, but I'm going to make it even cooler. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my black and I'm going to take, it's about a half a coffee bean size. I'm going to pre-mix. I'm going to add some ultramarine blue. And because it's yellow, the opposite side of the color wheel of yellow is purple. So I'm going to take some of my red. So it's giving it a purple undertone. And I'm going to apply that all around. And it is going, I expect it to take multiple layers to really achieve that really dark black. I'm going to grab some of my Galkit here. Love it. Wow, wow, that's intense. That's awesome. Love it. Just trying to be careful not to get any into the eye. Because if I get it into the eye, I can't fix it this week. I have to wait. Okay, now I get to have a little bit more relaxed time about it. And it's funny how the eyes are different shapes. But yeah, so that goes to show that it was a real cat. This would be a neat one to do also on like a black canvas. But I'm not 100% if all the glowy part would show up as well on the black canvas. You would probably have to, you know, gesso or, you know, paint the eyes white in order to get the glow that we're going to be able to achieve here. So I can very much see that my painting has a purple hue to it. But the next layer is going to tone that down just a little bit, and I'm not going to hit everywhere on the next layer. Actually, I think it'd be cool if I left some of the edges white. I'm not doing that. So that's all that I'm going to do for this week on it. Next week, we're going to glaze on and intensify the eyes quite a bit, and then we're also going to glaze on and I want you to go ahead and get some solvent-free gel, which is this stuff right here, solvent-free gel, and we're going to use that on some of the cat's black part of its fur to really kind of call out, like around its eyes, some intense darks, as well as some raised paint. It's going to be freaking fabulous. I'm so excited about it. Yay! Okay, so until next time and next week, you guys stay safe, happy, and healthy, and happy painting. And one more thing. I want to see pictures in Positive Painters Community. If you're not familiar with Positive Painters Community, well, click on a link that's going to be provided in this and go on over to Positive Painters Community and join the conversation with your fellow artists. All right, until next time, stay safe, happy, and healthy, and happy painting.